Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How To University channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your artwork or to leave a watermark on one of your projects that you are creating for a client. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Canva. And let's say that you are creating a logo for a client and you want to make sure that they don't, use the logo right away or that they take credit for the logo. So what you're going to do is we're going to head over to our logo that we have. So for an example, I've already created it and I'm going to add it here to this, and I'm going to show you how to make it into a watermark. So once you have your logo selected, all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and either make it extremely big so it's behind. So everything right now is actually technically in front of it, right? So what you're going to do is up at the top, there's like this little checkered board that says transparency. All you're going to do is click it once and you're going to start to drag that down into the negatives. So right now we went from 100 all the way down to about, let's say, because you still want to make sure that they can see the logo, about 4. And now when you click that, there's a box behind it. So if you want to make it even better and you don't want that box to be there, all you have to do is click on the box. There's going to be a purple box behind it. Go to edit, go to remove background. So now it's going to highlight that top logo. It's going to remove it, and now it's going to look like this, right? So when you click on it, it's still there, but if you got to look a little bit harder. But if you're not satisfied with that, remember, all you have to do is bump up the transparency, or you can also leave it in a corner, depending on how you want to do this. But there will always be a watermark on the logo or design that you're presenting to a client. So if this is helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.